sapagkat mahal ang magpagamat.
You have been listening to DBEC 1062 kHz Radio Agila, a commercial AM station owned and operated by the Eagle Broadcasting Corporation with license from the National Telecommunications Commission with station license number BSD-0211-2021-0987, authorizing this station to operate until December 31, 2024. DBEC 1062 Radio Agila broadcasts from 4 o'clock in the morning until 12 o'clock midnight with a power of 40,000 watts. Our studio is located at number 25 Central Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. And our transmitter is located at Barangay Paliwas, Obando, Bulacan. DBEC 1062 Radio Agila is under the supervision of the following personnel duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Electronics Engineer Erickson Ventura, ETE number 44844. Electronics Engineer Arturo Tasco Jr., ETE number 43934. With first-class radio telephone operators. Our studio personnel, Enrico Erdique, registration number 94-1RTD-7204. Gracious Pascual, registration number 92-3PNCR-352. Our transmitter personnel, Mervin Ortiz, registration number 94-1PNCR-10851. Ronel Mariado, registration number 13-1PNCR-26656. This is DBEC 1062 kHz Radio Agila. Now, signing off. Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem.
Bye.